Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you Fleece Performance Engineering's heater core hose upgrade and fitting kit for your 2003 to current Cummins equipped Dodge truck. On your 6.7 Cummins equipped Dodge trucks, the heater core hose, the fitting at the head is a quick connect fitting, and the hose has a female quick connect side on it. Very, very prone to leaking, very prone to breakage. It is just a pain in the butt to get off of the truck if you have to do something to it, if you don't, you know, on and on and on. So Fleece has come out with a better mousetrap in this heater core line upgrade. And the cool thing about the heater core line for these trucks is this heater core hose and kit will actually work for the common rail 5.9 trucks. So this kit is one part number that fits the 2003 to 2024 5.9 and 6.7 equipped Dodge trucks. So the kit, let's go through everything that comes in the kit. First off, we want to talk about the fitting. This is a Fleece machine fitting. This is the proper orifice size for coolant flow at the engine head. It's got the Fleece logo inside of it. Again, machined in-house at Fleece. And then you have your formed, reinforced silicone hose from Fleece. This is a very good hose. Much better than a stock heater core hose. You're not going to have any problems out of this hose. This is going to be with you the life of the truck. And then, of course, convert you over to worm drive clamps because spring clamps are horrible. Anyway, the kit even actually comes with Permatex thread sealant for the fitting at the head of the truck for a complete installation and everything that you're going to need to do it. Fleece will include a card that comes with the kit. It's got a QR code on the back of it so you can download the instructions if you need it. We're actually going to install this on a truck as well, so we will have an install video as well. Fleece, as always, includes a little bit of swag with their kit. You get a koozie and a sticker inside of it as well. So if you're looking to upgrade from the failure-prone 6.7 heater core kit, heater core line, or you're just looking to get a better heater core line on your 5.9 truck, this is definitely a kit for you. So if you have a question about this product or any other Fleece products, please give us a call, and thanks for watching.